What's up guys, welcome back. It is December now, it's Cyber Monday, and I've spent a good amount of time this weekend updating my deals spreadsheet so that you guys could see the deals that I thought were the best deals for this particular period of time where there are supposed to be good deals on PC hardware and other things. A quick update would be that the CPU deals have mostly held. We have a Newegg AIO add-on, at least for the 9800X3D, that is pretty nice if you're looking for a CPU and an AIO combo. For GPUs, again, we have one or two that have dipped in price, but most of these have actually crept up by $10 to $20, so that is slightly disappointing, but not unexpected. And then if you're looking for some solid deals, like maybe some stuff that's lower priced, maybe some stocking stuffer type things, there's still nothing good in terms of memory, but we do have some really good motherboard deals. Power supplies, also some really good options there. Some good monitors, and I added at least one or two OLED options now as well. And then for keyboards, mice, headsets, in the etc. column down here, we have some lower priced options, perhaps some stocking stuffers, so I highly recommend checking those out too.
Excellent!
Today's video is brought to you by the Paul's Hardware store on paulshardware.net, the only official source for Paul's Hardware merchandise. Tantalizing t-shirts, brilliant beer sets, high-quality hoodies, and more, all featuring the classic thumbscrew for tasteful and refined viewers, or the 8-bit thumbscrew for tasteful and refined viewers who hate curves. New designs are added sporadically and at random, so head over to paulshardware.net and get some of that sweet, sweet merch right now. Or not right now, after you watch the video. Either way. So again, because things are changing kind of on a moment-to-moment basis, I will be updating this list a few times later today, and I'll probably try to keep it going for the next couple of days, depending on how quickly the deals fall off after Cyber Monday. Is it just going to be Cyber Monday, or are they going to extend it for the whole week? I have no idea. But I will say some of the best deals that have popped up have been these Newegg Cyber Monday doorbusters. I want to point out that websites technically do not have doors, so a little correction for you there, Newegg. However, some of the deals here have been pretty fantastic, like the 9900X3D down to $500, but I believe these are only in very limited quantities, which is why they have been selling out fairly quickly. Today's deals, for example, included an RTX 5070 for $300. But how many of those do you think they actually made available? I'm not sure. I don't think there's any rules or laws about how many items they have to have in stock in order to call it a doorbuster and sell it for 57% off for a component that has typically cost way more than that and often been in limited availability. But nevertheless, we got more deals unlocking tomorrow at 9 a.m., so you can check out that link if you're interested. Tomorrow specifically, there's a 9070 XT for $500. Again, pretty fantastic deal if you happen to be one of the lucky ones who scoops it up. All right, quickly recapping the CPU deals. The 9800X3D, best CPU for gaming PC, that doesn't need a high core count, it has been $449 for pretty much the past week or two, so it's a good deal. Not fantastic, but if you were looking for that CPU, probably one of the better prices you're going to get it at right now. Newegg added this on. They haven't had a fantastic deal. It's just been going for the $479 MSRP, but now they have a Montech Hyperflow ARGB 240mm AIO. That's supposed to be something you get for free with purchase. When I first found this morning, I was checking the other X3D CPUs, and I found that it was also being added on to like the 7800X3D. But it seemed to be coming and going. I was adding things to my cart, and then it wasn't there in the cart. Now, if I refresh this again, all right, it's telling me that it's a free cooler. Can I add it to my cart, and will the cooler show up? Oh, see, well, that's 3D Mark. That's not a cooler. No thanks. So at this particular moment in time, I can't verify that this deal is actually active because I haven't been able to add it to my cart or anything like that. The most compelling deal that I found that had this listed with it, but it was only briefly, was the 7800X3D with the $30 off promo code, but that apparently has dried up. But feel free to check back in perhaps later today. It has come and gone with the 9800X3D, and when adding, I guess you just got to check that it's going to add that offer as well, and right now it's not. But anyway, apart from that, these low prices for CPUs are actually mostly available on the Amazon side of things. For some reason, the Newegg CPU deals haven't been quite as compelling this year, unless you look at those add-on combo deals, or again, the combo deals that you can do down here, combo savings, which which vary a lot. So it's hard for me to say, go for this combo or that combo. And I'm just gonna move on to graphics cards. All right, for GPUs, we mostly have the same deals for Black Friday. A few of them have crept up by $10 or maybe $20. We still have the 9070 XT for $600, or wait till tomorrow at 9 a.m. and see if you can get it for $500. The 9070 non-XT 16 gig, I think has been like the most compelling deal on the AMD side for $520. And the nice thing about this one is it has been fairly consistent. You've been able to add it to cart. It hasn't sold out or disappeared or anything like that. Likewise, AMD has, I think, the best bang for the buck in terms of a 16 gig graphics card. Again, this isn't fantastic because it's only selling for the MSRP of $350, but again, it's available. You can add it to cart, so that's cool. Now for the NVIDIA deals, several of these have crept up in price because, for instance, these MSI 5070 and 5070 Ti had $20 mail-in rebate cards. Those have gone away, and now the cheapest ones of these are the $500 and $750 versions. The 5060 Ti 8 gig, while it is an 8 gig card, and we kind of warn against that, has steadily gone down over the past couple days. It was $330, then $320, then $310, and now the cheapest price is $300, actually over on Woot. Currently still available, add to cart. Available for 7 days or until sold out. Again, if you're okay with an 8 gig card, which isn't a compromise, this seems to be the best deal right now. And if you're looking for a higher than an 8 gig card, $350 is the floor you'll have to pay for that for the 9060 XT 16 gig. Again, deals on like the 5060 Ti have just not been quite as good. This one was down to $410, now it's back up to $430. So the best deal on the 5060 Ti 16 gig right now is $420 with $10 off promo code on this $430 Gigabyte Eagle model. Moving on to some other parts. We have some actually nice deals on CPU coolers. Thermalright's cooler pricing is always really low, so getting a discount on that is pretty rare, but the white version of their Peerless Assassin down to about $38 is pretty good there. This Cooler Master Liquid 360L keeps dropping in price. Like every time I checked it over the weekend, the price had gone down by like another $1 or $2. I think it was at 66 or 65. Now it's down to 59, so your patience has been rewarded for that one. And that actually manages to make some of Thermalright's AIO deals look not as good, like this white version of the FW360, although that does have an LED readout on it, which may or may not be compelling for you. Do note that that's a Prime deal. Some of these are Prime deals. So if you don't have Prime, you can't always access those. I wanted to highlight this one briefly, although it seems to have gone away. This was the motherboard that came with a 16 gig DDR5 memory kit for free. It was just a really random deal. I added it pretty quickly after my Black Friday video, and it actually stayed in stock for most of the weekend, but it appears to have gone away, as have most of the memory deals. So unfortunately, the $110 motherboard plus a $130-ish DDR5 16 gig kit, which was actually DDR5 6000, is not there anymore, but that was cool. That was cool when it was available. If you're looking for a higher-end AM5 motherboard, this is the best deal I've seen on an X670E or X870E class board. Under $200 for this MSI Gaming Plus Wi-Fi, so that's cool. It's got the Wi-Fi built in. Yes, it is X670E and not X870E, but they use the same chipsets, so there's really not a huge amount of difference between those. Power supplies. It's great to get a good deal on a power supply. 850 watts, 80 plus gold, fully modular, and a 12V2x6 connector on this Roswell unit for $70. I thought that was a good deal there. And if you're looking for something higher end, for something like an RTX 5080 or a higher end GPU in general that needs more power, the Montech Century 2, available for less than $100 for 1050 watts. This one's 80 plus gold, cybernetics platinum rated, and yes, it still has the PCIe 5.1, so it's got the 12V2x6 connector as well. Looks kind of cool too. It's got that sort of triangle design. I believe this is a tier A, possibly a tier B power supply. All right, OLED monitors are great, and this was one that I got some feedback on the Black Friday video. People were like, you have all these monitor deals listed, no OLEDs, and there are good OLED deals out there. So this is one that stood out to me, the Acer Predator X27U. 27 inches, 2560 by 1440, really fast, 280 hertz refresh rate, and a very fast response time as well, down to $400 over on Best Buy. That's a good deal. As I'm adding more deals later today, I'm going to be specifically looking for some monitor deals because I feel like that's one of the best things you can get for Black Friday that's like actually some nice discounts. Now moving into the kind of miscellaneous category and peripherals and stuff, I use rechargeable lithium ion batteries, specifically little AAAs. These are made by Pownergy, and I couldn't find these on Amazon, but these have treated me really well. So I did find some rechargeable AA and AAA batteries. These actually use USB Type-C as well. These ones that I have are micro USB, but $14 for a 4-pack of AA's for that, or $13 for a pack of AAA's. If you use batteries on a regular basis and go through them, these rechargeable ones are fantastic because you don't need a dock for them or anything. They just plug a USB charger right into the battery itself. I use these for my lav mic as I'm recording stuff, so that's why I've gotten a lot of use out of them. Thought that was a nice little, less expensive deal. We also have some optical drives for anyone who's getting sick of streaming services and wants to boost or have a good means of playback for their local collection of CDs, DVDs, and Blu-rays. This is a $66 external Blu-ray drive. It does require a Prime membership, but the thing I like that they've added to these is it's also got like a little USB combo dock on it with like a card reader and stuff. I feel like that's a compelling little add-on, especially if you're using this as an external drive for something like a laptop. Then I looked down here and I was like, oh my gosh, is the white version really $30? The white version is a CD DVD drive, not Blu-ray. And I got some good deals on those as well. This one I thought was just an interesting device because it's a CD DVD player, DVD burner, and it's also got like a 2.5-inch dock on it, which, I thought that was kind of interesting, as well as that card reader, USB hub. It is a USB 2.0 hub, so keep that in mind. If you don't need that SATA dock though, this one is a much better deal. This one's down to about $25, $26. External CD, DVD drive. It's got the combo on the back for additional USB devices. It's got a card reader, it's USB 3.0, and available in a variety of colors. You got gray, you got silver, you got like a black version too. So you can get the one that matches your case or your notebook. Here's a really nice headset from Logitech, the G733. Typically sells for $160, down to $80. It's 50% off. And then I specifically had a request for a UPS deal. Couldn't find a lot of those, but this is a solid discount on the APC 1500 VA sine wave UPS battery backup. $220 down from $300. This is like one of my favorite underrated PC accessories to have. A battery backup is great to have if your power goes out. A couple really nice Sennheiser deals on headphones. These aren't headsets, so they don't include a mic, but down from $240, we have the HD 599. Open back for just under $100. Sennheiser makes fantastic headphones and headsets as well for that matter. Step up from there for anyone who's getting into the audiophile space is the Momentum 4. Typically sells for $450. This one's down to $200. Although there's only one left in stock. Hopefully they replenish soon. And that wraps it up, at least for the highlights for my Cyber Monday list. Again, I'm going to be updating this a bit more throughout the day, perhaps tomorrow as well. I'll add some notes to the top of the list based on the things I add or remove or my thoughts. So if you guys want to check it out, the link is down in the video's description. You can also find a link to my store down there, paulshardware.net, where I'm having my end of the year sale. So great deals on Paul's Hardware merch as well right now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video though. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed it. Share with your friends who might be looking for some awesome tech deals for the Cyber Monday week. We'll see you all in the next one.